Hi everybody, Todd down at Motorsports Land here in Salt Lake City. Today I'd like to show you a brand new trailer we just got in. It's 2027. Model is a 26 ML. This is part of the Yard Pod family in what they call the unmapped. One of the coolest things you're gonna notice that jumps out right away for you is this outside bar area. It's so cool. It's a little hard to see in the sunlight here, but this is all backlit, so at night this thing just pops. You've got this nice bar. It comes with a couple stools for out here. It also opens up to the inside. You've got a screen so you can have this open, pass stuff through, or keep the screen down so the bugs come out. But like today, it's super hot here. We got the air conditioner running. We don't want to be losing that. You can just close this down. It seals up all around there. You're not losing all your air conditioning on the inside. Just a really cool idea to have this for whatever, for a bar or just for prep space. And then as we slide back here is all your outdoor kitchen. So there's a nice shelf that hooks on here with your grill. You've got 110 power here, and then your water supply here for washing down all your dishes after you've been cooking. So really cool setup. If you guys are the type of campers that like to be outside, you like to enjoy it underneath the awning, huge awning on this as well, pretty much as big as they can be end to end here. So you can be outside, you can enjoy the shade, you can have all your festivities out here, be cooking out here, and enjoy outside. Let's slide around the front here. These are gonna come with your solid steps, which are really nice if you haven't used these before. Puts all the weight on the ground, so as you're going up and down, these are completely solid. There's none of that flex of the fold-out stairs. The new glass doors are sexy, but they're also quite a bit more durable. As we swing down here, we're gonna have a nice big pass-through area. It's kind of nice. They're giving you a bin actually for all your stuff now. That's new in 27, but you can kind of see the nice pass through all the way through. And then a really nice feature to these as well are these front glass windows. So it's going to let some light in there, but it really just gives a really good look. And then again, I'm not sure if this will pop in this daylight, but this is all lit up. This is a backlit piece here. Just gives it that little bit of pop. It's going to set you apart from everybody else. Two 20-gallon tanks here, and you do have a battery shut off. So when you walk away, flip that off. It'll kill all the power to the coach. You're not going to have your batteries run down. Just a quick note, these do come standard with 400 watts of solar up on the roof from the factory. Okay, as we slide around here, you know what? This is off campsite and it's really hot. You've seen everything around here. Let's go check out the inside because that's more fun. Okay, so we're inside now. Nice air conditioner, all vented throughout. So this is gonna push air all the way front and back here. It's gotta be 90, 95 degrees outside today. It's very comfortable in here. We've had it running for 20 minutes or so. But let me show you the inside of this. So this is the back side of this bar area here. Again, it has either a screen, or you can do the blackout shade, or these pop apart with a magnet here and you can have them all open. And again, that'll open up to the outside if you just wanted to pass stuff through. Super cool idea with this. So you notice there's not a normal dinette in here. This is designed to be able to sit here, be able to enjoy the outside in the morning, eat your breakfast here. But say it arises that, you know what, we want to play games, we got people over, I need a dinette. This thing kicks up right here, and this just rolls out, okay? Now you've got a full-size dinette. You can use, this actually works at any length out here. So you can put it halfway in and use it right here if you just need some extra prep space. And when you're done with it, just lift it up, it'll pull itself back in there, and you can release these down and tuck it away. And now you're just back to the bar. So it's made it nice because everybody wants a dinette, but it takes up so much space that you don't use a lot of time. Now you can see kind of how open this is and how usable this area is. So really good idea here. We swing back in here, nice big deep stainless steel sink here, big enough to actually wash something in. Some of them are so small they're useless. You're gonna have your microwave up top, 3 burner cooktop here with your built-in backsplash. So that'll open up if you're using it. If you're not using it, that's all prep space. And then nice sink cover. This just fits up over the sink. So again, if you're not needing the sink, you can just use it all for prep. So this is the other half. TV's up above this window, so you're gonna have some nice theater seating here with recliners. They do come with these cool little, I call them airplane tables. I don't know what the real word is, but just those little airplane tables. You sit there and be able to eat and enjoy TV. And then on this side, you've got a sleeper couch. It's a trifold. So this will lean out this way and make it another actually sleeping area if you need it. So yeah, just an incredible living area. It's very usable in here. The outside's very usable. As we swing around on this side, you're gonna have your cabinets, so tons of storage. You can use that for pantry. And then of course your big 12 volt, 10 cubic foot fridge. Now that they're not propane, they're quite a bit deeper. You can use the whole depth of the fridge instead of just that little bit front. And they're way less finicky. They work all the time. Okay, and then, so this is an RB, it's a rear bath design. So that's always nice because it creates a nice big space in here. Nice shower. You're gonna have backlit vanity here, backlit mirrors, gives it a really nice touch. And then we swing around this side, we're using a nice porcelain toilet. Porcelain just holds up better, but also you can use your household cleaners on it. You don't have to worry about burning the plastic. You do have your vacuum cleaner built in here, so it's nice. You just kick that on, sweep up all your mess in there, and then tons of storage in here. So you never have place for all your towels and everything. Now you do. Let's go take a look at the bedroom. Here we are in the bedroom. Nice size, full size queen, guys. I'm about just shy of 6 foot, tons of, I'm lay flat here, tons of length. This is a full size residential queen, so tons of space there. You got places over here for your books. You've got power supplies, 12 volt and 110 back in here. Nice wardrobes on either side to be able to hang your clothes up in. Nice size bedroom for this size of coach. You are prepped for a second TV back here as well. All right, one other feature here on the bed, which I really like that they do, instead of just having storage under here, they give you some little drawers on the front of that. So this will kick up, it is on struts, which is nice, holds it up out of the way. And then these are not that deep. They're just maybe that deep, but it's a great thing for small things, socks, stuff like that. And then you still have all the storage area back here for your bigger items that you just need to store under the bed. All right, guys, so that's the brand new 2027 RPOT Unmapped 26 ml. Brand new on the lot. Come on down. I'd love to show you. My name's Todd. I'm on our Salt Lake lot. We have another lot down in Spanish Fort, but come to Salt Lake because I'm here. As always, we've got our website. It's going to have current price and inventory on it. And if you like our videos, give us a like and follow.